Good afternoon. I wanted to give a huge shout out, thank you to those awesome, gracious people over at Camp Chef. They sent me a message a few weeks ago, asked me if I'd be interested in doing a video and seeing what I thought about their new accessory for their pellet grills. And it is called the Sidekick. Sidekick can fulfill one or multiple functions, such as a counterpoint to the hero, an alternative point of view or knowledge, skill, or anything else the hero does not have. That sounds pretty cool. The Sidekick easily attaches to the Camp Chef pellet grills 2016 and newer, giving you versatility. So it's designed for Camp Chef 14-inch accessories. The Sidekick includes a professional flat-top griddle with ready-to-cook true seasoned surface, propane tank holder, 30,000 BTU cast aluminum burner, grease management system, fully adjustable heat control knob, and of course with their awesome matchless ignition. Wind baffle technology. The Sidekick has the ability to bake, sear, boil, saute, braise, grill, and all fits under the patio cover. Cooking surface of 14-inch by 16.5 inches, total area of 231 square inches. One of the accessories they sent out is the Artisan outdoor oven accessory, which is perfect for pizzas, breads, meats, vegetables, and desserts. The ceramic stone promotes even heat distribution, and the dome ceiling design mimics the same heating pattern as a wood-fired brick oven. Preheats in just 15 minutes, exceeding 600 degrees Fahrenheit if needed. It has an open-faced pizza oven, so it cooks like a traditional brick oven. The ceramic stone pulls outer moisture off a dough and promotes perfect crust, leaving the inside moist and fluffy. Cooking surface of a little over 12.5 inches by 12.5 inches, total area of 160 square inches. Specifically designed heat diffusion plates, built-in temperature gauge, includes pizza oven cooking guide with recipes. Also, the Deluxe BBQ Grill box accessory. This professional grill box gives you the ability to grill your favorite foods to perfection every time. It has been designed with Camp Chef's patented heat diffuser system that minimizes hot spots and converts flames into infrared heat. This vaporizes grease drippings and infuses your food with the best, richest flavors. It has true seasoned finished cast iron grill grate that holds and distributes heat evenly, hinged lid with handle for convenient opening, and a latch that locks lid and grates down during transportation and storage. Built-in temperature gauge, out of the box, ready to cook in seconds. Cooking surface of 14 inches by 16 inches, total area of 224 square inches. And an aluminum fry pot set. I believe that's an 8.5 quart aluminum pot with a strainer and handle. And then they did send 2 accessory cover bags to put the oven and the barbecue box in to store when you're not using. But also new this year to Camp Chef is their charwood pellets. They offer a charwood hickory pellet and a charwood cherry pellet. It's supposed to taste like the charcoal briquettes. I have used the hickory charwood before. I did some Berkshire pork country style ribs, and they turned out great. A lot of nice flavor with that charwood. We'll go ahead and get a close-up of each one set on the Sidekick. Let's take a closer look at the Camp Chef Sidekick. As you can see, it's nice stainless steel, cast aluminum 30,000 BTU burner, the matchless ignition right there. Nice grate, nice heavy duty. Fits in there nice and tight. Not all loose and stuff. I do have a propane tank on and I do have it turned on. Let's go ahead and see if it'll light without burning the camera. Ooh, there it goes. First try. I don't know if you can see the flame or not, but I better make sure I hold the camera back. The flame is just above the grate. That's on high. Now it's on low. Back on high. And then off. Really nice feel to that valve. A lot of control. Nice stainless steel design. You can see the wind baffles. bottom's almost completely enclosed. A little bit of a gap around there in the bottom. Gotta let some air in, right? Mounts easily with the screws, and it has a couple leveling screws for those supports. They say it'll support 40 pounds. Nice design. Of course, it does have the 14-inch accessory logo right there. Here's the grease management system. Just hooks right on there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the griddle. Here's the back side of it. Got the heat diffuser, the wind screen. Also, that helps prevent warping too. Nice handle on it, nice weight. There you go. Well, that's really going to give you some options, isn't it? Here's the Artisan outdoor oven. As you can see, it's got Camp Chef nice quality design, stainless steel, nice and thick, built-in thermometer, brick oven design, nice ceramic stone, pizza stone. So you easily cook a 12-inch pizza in there. I don't know if you watched my Pro 90X video, but I do have a pizza oven for that, which we use a lot. Like it. This will be a really nice accessory, keeping everything right here on your one pellet grill. You don't need to have the others or store the others when you're not using. But here's Camp Chef's packaging. Talk about a few accessories. I would recommend the pizza spatula, that's for sure. Of course, you don't not only have to make pizzas on it, but you could do fish, chicken, desserts, just like an oven. I think with the open design like this on the front, helps dry the pizza out, creating a crispier crust. First, I've seen people covering it with aluminum foil and things like that. I wouldn't recommend it. Here's the Deluxe BBQ Grill box. Of course, Camp Chef's nice design. This one's got a black matte finish. Built-in thermometer, nice handle, nice feel to it, nice hinges. There's the built-in heat diffuser, which will help create that flame into infrared heat, vaporizing meat juices. And then also the cast iron grate, nice and heavy, nice tight fit. Not going to be banging around when you're scraping it off. Kind of excited to use this too. You know, I've been a Weber gas grill guy for years. It'd be nice to see how Camp Chef works out. Like I said, once again, really nice if you just got to make the decision, you know, well, I want a pellet grill, but I would also like a barbecue grill. Well, here you can do both right all in that same footprint. You can see the lid closes down. Nice latch for storage, also locking that grate down. It's nice and heavy. Here's their packaging, some accessories available. Here's the 10.5 quart aluminum pot with strainer and handle. I think I mentioned earlier in the video it's 8.5 quarts. Well, it's bigger than that. It is 10.5 quarts. This would be nice for doing like boiling pasta, sweet corn, king crab, whatever else. Also, if you just want to have hot water, or you can even keep things warm in it. This side burner with 30,000 BTUs really gives you the flexibility, the versatility, they say. And the accessories they offer a accessory bag. Camp Chef's got them clearly labeled, which accessory, which size, which makes it easy for ordering. That is the Sidekick by Camp Chef. Brand new, just a few weeks old. Of course, like I said, it does come with that flat top. Once again, thank you, Camp Chef, for sending this out, giving me a chance to demo it, shoot some video. Really excited about the Sidekick. Can really clean up your patio space. Bring all your cooking needs down just to the one unit. Really excited to get cooking with it. And as always, thanks for watching. And if you want to know more about Camp Chef, just click on the link in the description.